Today, I'm going to show you how a now successful Milwaukee landscaper turned his equipment into $1.5 million in cash to save his business from foreclosure. If you're a business owner struggling with cash flow or facing bank pressure, this hidden funding source sitting in your garage or warehouse could be the solution you need. I'll walk you through exactly how equipment equity loans work, why banks are reluctant to use this option, and how you can access this money in 2 weeks or less. I'll cover 3 critical points. First, the hidden cash sitting in your equipment that most business owners never even think about. Second, why equipment equity beats traditional bank loans when you need money fast. And finally, the exact process we use to turn your equipment into working capital in 2 weeks or less. You can look at your equipment as a cash source, not just business tools. Most business owners think their equipment is just for operations. They never realize they're sitting on hundreds of thousands or even millions in available cash. This landscaper had $2 million in equipment equity he never even considered. While his bank was threatening foreclosure, he had enough hidden cash in his fleet to solve his entire problem. First, compile a comprehensive list of all the equipment that you own: trucks, trailers, machinery, tools, etc. Get the original purchase price and date, current condition, and any debt still owed on that equipment. Most equipment holds 60 to 80% of its value even after years of use. A $100,000 excavator you bought 3 years ago could be worth $70,000 today. Use an equipment equity loan instead of traditional loans because it's a better option. Banks have strict rules they can't break. They look at credit scores, cash flow, debt ratios. When you're in trouble, these numbers can work against you. Equipment equity lenders look at one thing: the value of your equipment. The landscaper's bank wanted to take his business away, but his equipment was worth $2 million regardless of his temporary cash flow problems. Leverage what you already own. Equipment equity loans use your machinery as collateral. The lender cares about equipment value, not your credit problems. You keep using your equipment while accessing the cash. It's like getting a loan against your home and still living in it. Here's the equipment equity loan process. Why is it important? Well, speed matters when your business is in trouble. This landscaper didn't have months to wait. His bank was ready to foreclose. Traditional loans take 60 and up to 90 days, and that's even if you qualify. Equipment equity loans close in less than 14 days because the process is much simpler. No complex financial analysis. Just equipment value and loan terms. How do we do it? Well, first, we collect your equipment information and condition reports. Then we get professional valuations to determine fair market value and liquidation value. Third, we apply our lending formula, which is typically 75% of liquidation value, and then we present your offer to you within 48 hours. Once you accept, we handle all the paperwork and close in less than 2 weeks. Here's what happened with our landscaper client. He came to us facing foreclosure in his core landscaping business because a side construction project had failed. His bank wanted immediate payment on the construction loans. We looked at his equipment list and saw $2 million in fleet value. We got him approved for $1.5 million. He paid off the construction loans, cleared a $300,000 line of credit, and saved his business. His monthly payments actually went down by $2,000. The bank released their liens and he kept operating. He since then has built a wildly successful landscaping firm that he recently just sold to a private equity group. So if you need fast funding and have equipment sitting in your business, don't let banks tell you no when you're sitting on hundreds of thousands in available cash. Equipment equity loans give you access to money you already own without the hassle of traditional underwriting. If you want help turning your equipment into working capital, book a call using the first link in the description to see exactly how much cash your equipment could generate.